Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and my trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, today we have the big day. That is NFP, but for GBP USD, okay, the day will be much more eventful because if you look at any economy calendar right now in forexfactory.com, you can see we have GDP for GBP. So GDP month on month will also bring some volatility to the GBP pairs, and apart from that we also have the NFP, the king of all events. So GBP will be very uh, volatile today. So my dear friends, please be careful. As I always say, beginners, new traders with low capital should avoid trade during the news. You will get plenty of opportunities in the market to trade. So you don't need to gamble with your hard-earned money, risk your hard-earned money during the news. Observe the market, gain some experience, but yes, it's better to avoid the market. If you're experienced enough, then that's a different chapter. Because see, when fundamentals dominate the market, technicals usually fail. And whatever we are doing here, okay, it's only technical analysis, because we retail traders have no control over fundamentals. So as a result, it's our responsibility to know when not to trade in the market and when to trade in the market. When the market is normal, when news is not dominating the market, we can use technicals for entry and exit. But when fundamentals are driving the market crazily, then it's better to be on the side. So please try to avoid the market if you're not familiar with news trading. So enough talk about when to trade, when not to trade. Let's talk about DXY right now. DXY showed correction yesterday. So as a result, all the GBP, or not GBP, sorry, all the USD pairs started flying. And if you look at the present trend of DXY, then you can see that the selling pressure is still very much there. We have an inverted hammer, but be careful. Usually we do not get to see a very volatile market before a big day. So as a result, I am not hoping that market will show some extreme volatility. Yes, we may get to see some normal volatility, but extreme volatility should not be there. Silence before the storm. So before NFP, we have support around 105 to 104.90, and this support should work before NFP. After NFP, we do not have any strong support that will provide support to the market. Yes, there are some supports available, but those are far away, so no need to discuss. For example, 102 is a strong support, but it's far away, so no use of discussing about 102 here in this video. But yes, 104 may act as support in case DXY shows a big drop after NFP. But before NFP, we have support around this area, 105, 104.90, because of Fibonacci 50% retracement as well as the 50 moving average. So I think this level has a strong support around this area. And if you're wondering about resistance, so as you can clearly see, the market is forming higher highs. So as a result, we do not have any strong resistance for the day. If you're thinking that previous high may work, then there's a very little chance that previous high will work as a resistance after NFP. In case DXY starts flying, then obviously market will break the previous high and will start going higher, because the structure of the market is only like this, forming higher highs. So no resistance after NFP, and we have a support but not very reliable after NFP. But before NFP, we have a good support around 105 to 104.90. Okay, this is all about DXY, and I've talked about DXY, and then now let's talk about GBP USD. And before I proceed, my dear friends, I would like to mention that the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again, that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. So my dear friends, if you really like my work, if you have been watching my videos for quite some time, and if you really want to take up your trading as a serious source of income, then you can definitely consider joining the workshop. The link is in the description. It's a 3 days workshop, 2 hours every day. Okay, so everything is mentioned on the website, and most importantly, the workshop is not for complete beginners. If you're extremely new to the market, then please, this workshop is not for you. I have designed this workshop only for those people who have been losing money for the last couple of months and years, who have been struggling with the market. You can see I have also mentioned few questions and FAQ kind of, so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful or not. And I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market, because I was also a big time loser in the year 2013-14, because when I was completely hopeless and clueless. Okay. So the workshop is a part of the Pro Trader program. Okay, it's a part of the Pro Trader program. So once you sign up for the Pro Trader program, you sign up for the workshop. And these are the benefits of joining the Pro Trader program. Means after joining the workshop, you will also receive support for 1 month. You'll also receive all these benefits so that you do not get confused how to proceed after the workshop. And the best part is the fees. The fees is only $15 or rupees 1,000. So 3 days workshop only for $15, and after that 1 month support. Unbelievable, isn't it? So feel free to join. The next dates are 16th, 17th and 18th of March. And you can see the timing of the English classes, Hindi classes are mentioned on the website. If you sign up for the workshop, just WhatsApp the screenshot in this number, or you can also send an email here. Okay. So everything is mentioned on the website. Feel free to join. Now let's talk about GBPUSD. So GBPUSD, okay, when market was extremely bullish yesterday, okay, it was when market was extremely bullish yesterday, it was the Fibonacci 50% retracement level that did the job, and also the same level is the previous support here. If you have watched my previous videos on GBPUSD, then you have heard me saying many times that when it comes to GBPUSD, Fibonacci 50 and Fibonacci 61.8 plays a very dominating role. They play a very important role. So yesterday we could see the impact when the market was extremely bullish. It was Fibonacci 50% retracement level that was that stopped the market. Okay, so in case before NFP we see market going up today, in case we see GBPUSD going up before NFP, then I think today Fibonacci 61.8 will provide some resistance to the market. 1.1963, around this level you can expect the market to face some resistance. Not only we have Fibonacci 61.8% retracement level here, you can also see 50 moving average, which is also the dynamic resistance here, plus price rejection around this area. We have 3 factors that are pointing towards this level, and as a result, before news, high chance of market facing some selling pressure around this area. If market hits this level and reverses, if you see prices showing rejection from above, you'll get the confirmation that yes, according to expectation, market is facing some selling pressure and you can look for a sell. At least you can expect a profit of 25 to 30 pips at not a trend reversal, because usually market prefers to stay silent before a big event. So 25 to 30 pips if market reverses from 1963 level. And after NFP, okay, after NFP, if market starts for going up, then obviously this level will fail. In that case, you can expect 1.2100 to act as the resistance after NFP if market shows a massive upside, because of the 200 moving average. You can see 200 moving average here, and 2100 is a round number, which means that it is also a psychological resistance. Okay, after NFP 1.2100 may act as resistance, but before NFP 1.1963 has a high chance of acting as resistance. Clear? Now let's talk about support. So for support, we are using Fibo here again. So if I zoom out zoom in the chart, you can see when market reversed or took a pause, okay, it was Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level that did the job. Before NFP, if market shows a downside, a market shows a few red candles, okay, then we can expect 1.1869 to act as support for the market. Reason is the Fibonacci 50% retracement around this area. Clear? You can also see that before 50% retracement, okay, we also have Fibonacci 38.2 as well. Okay, but as I said, from my personal experience, Fibo 50 and 61.8 has a very strong role to play in the market. So if you want to take a buy position, if you see market bouncing from Fibonacci 38.2% retracement, you can go for a buy as well. But If you're looking for a better level, then 1.1869 is a better level. Then we have 1.1850. These two are the reliable levels. If GBPUSD comes down, you can expect these two levels to act as support before NFP. After NFP, we do not have any immediate support that will be providing support to the market. 1.1800 may act as support, but to be honest, I am not sure. If we consider the market structure here, then we can clearly see market is forming lower highs, means market is breaking the previous, so lower highs and lower lows. So market is breaking the previous lows. So in this type of scenario, we definitely cannot expect completely that this level will act as support when the news will be dominating the market, a news like NFP. Okay, so these are the levels for the day. Hopefully got my point. My dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. No trader is 100% accurate. Please be careful. Please follow proper risk management. Bye bye. Take care.